Alright, we're in Balan with Chris, Barry and Andy, heading back to Wombat State Forest. It is freezing. Got to get into some of those hard tracks and warm up. Oh, you fucker. Shit. Righto, up we go. What am I doing over here? Oh, bloody hell. There's nothing this way, is there? What's down here? Looks like a bridge. Ooh. It's a cement bridge. That's fine. Says trespassers will be prosecuted. Huh. The fence there, far out. Yeah, it definitely doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, if you can see that, that's where we're trying to go. That's where we are. Ah, we were supposed to turn back there. We're going to go here. Ooh. There's the dam right there. Probably should go back to first. We were so close. Well, check that out. Oh, I should have went right probably. It's alright. Oh, maybe not. I think I picked the right side. Now what? Let me go right this time. Oh, big hole. Oh, knew that was going to throw me. Oh. Can we get around that? Oh, I reckon we can. Oh, maybe. That's it. That's the way. So you had to do it one go. Ah, look at that. Too easy. DR showing how it's done. There we go. Oh, bloody hell. That one threw me off. Another hill coming up. Oh, we better slow up a bit for that. It's rougher than I thought. What do we got? Riding the ridge, I should not be. Stick right. Oh, bloody hell. Still going up. Probably look flat on the video. Oh, she's getting steeper here. Oh, fuck it. Go, go, go. Alright, oh, that was fun. I think this is Nolan Creek track, or ridge track or something. Oh shit, she's bloody steep too. Oh, they're up on your feet. Oh shit. Yeah, righto, right up on top of the mountain. Beautiful. Not that you can see a great deal. Ooh, we're going down. Always up. It's kind of track you don't necessarily put your eyes up and look at nothing. Look at the sky. You got to look at the next thing that's giving you information where to go. You don't want to be looking at the rocks under your tyre. Oh, what happened there? Just far enough ahead to see what's coming up. We're going to stick to this side, yep. I think so. Far out. Well, this is a bloody rough old track, isn't it? Far out. Down we go. Stay up on your feet. Ooh, ooh. I just want to get over there. Very good. Rightio, Mount View track. Yeah, I remember going through the guts of that. Probably go over that side alright. Going in that one. Very good. Yeah, we start going uphill. Oh. Beautiful. Nice, very good. I remember this one. Still a bit of water around, not much. Oh, another log. It's only a little one. Check out all those fallen trees on the hill there. Oh wow, look at the friggin' mountains. What a view. More logs. Oops, done that bloody wrong. What gear am I in? colour in those trees. They've gone red. It's got like a moss on them, I think. Yeah, well, this is a nice challenging track without being ridiculously hard. Well, has been. Yeah, looking good. Wow, this is beautiful. Well, that looks soft, doesn't it? Maybe that. Yeah, it looks very soft. This is the best chicken track I've ever done. Very nice. This is it here. Nolan Creek Road. This is it. Oh, nice. Far out, how nice is this? Gotta get a park in the shade. Leatherdoe track, 87 kilometres. Wow, you are here. Bacchus Marsh is back that way. Bendigo. Oh, that's the Goldfields track, okay. The Goldfield track goes from Mount Buninyong up to Bendigo. And this, if you take the blue line, you'll end up on it. So I've ridden parts in between Ballarat and Crestwick. It's a walking mountain bike track, not a motorbike track though. Parts of it shared, so you can ride it. Let's have a look down here at the creek. Nice. This guy up here talking to himself. Must be a YouTuber. Oh yeah, just leaving Nolan Creek picnic area. We're going to head back to Blackwood and I think we'll call it a day. Been an awesome ride. Some great tracks. I don't know if we can wheelie on this. There's Nolan Ridge track there.